You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this developer data platform, or data. Do you say data? How do you say it? Anyhow, yeah, different ways of pronouncing it. If you want to learn more names from text, stay tuned. I've got tons more. MongoDB, so it's not MongoDB, but rather simply MongoDB, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.